So guys, the first step to setting up your Amazon business is setting up your limited company. And it's really, really straightforward. You can simply head to the link in the description in the comments below. That link is from Awesome. And if you go through that link, it will cost you only £12. You can do it in about 6 minutes. I'm going to show you the step-by-step right now. And if you do go through the link, if you have any issues, because we've got an account manager with Awesome, we can help you with that too. So guys, when you click on that link, it's going to take you to this page here. You simply scroll down and you hit get started there. It's going to take you to this page here. You simply click e-commerce and retail. And then it's going to ask you this. Do you reside in the UK? Yes, I'm a holder of a British passport. That's going to be most of you. Okay, so most of you that it's relevant, you click that. And then it's going to say, make sure your application is compliant to avoid setbacks. Okay, do you need them submitted by Awesome? No, you don't, unless you really want to try that, guys. You click no, proceed without checks. Then it's going to take you to here. What registered address will you be using for your business? So you can get an online address, so your address is hidden, guys. But I didn't when I started. I just said I use my own address just to save a little bit more money. And then how will you handle your tax and compliance? Okay, guys, so you've got these offers here. You know, do you want the accounting straight away? Most of you, I would say, no, you don't need that from the start. I would just say decide later, okay? And then it's going to ask for your payment. Okay, I've already submitted my payment. And then it's going to say, we've got your payment. Then you click, let's go. And guys, just so you know, for the payment, by the way, it should come to a total of $14.40, including VAT only. If it adds any of the additional service, you can just remove them. So you only need to pay $14.40. So it is going to ask you for a verification code. You then hit that one there. It's then going to ask you for this information here, guys. Okay, so you've got to decide your company name. Now, a lot of people will just use their initials or something like that. It's completely up to you guys, to be honest. If you're just doing general reselling or private label, it doesn't really matter. I'd say the only time it matters is if you're doing more advanced sort of brand distribution stuff exclusively. But usually, guys, chuck your initials in there or whatever you want your company name to be doing. Down here with the SIT codes, we're going to be doing retail, sale via mail order, houses, or the internet. So once you've clicked on that, guys, it should highlight that. It's retail, sale via mail order, house, or internet. It's basically someone selling stuff online. For most people, you're then going to type in your home address down here and then click confirm. It's then going to take you to this page here, set up your team paid up capital. So guys, for the majority of you, you're going to be a director and a shareholder of your company. So that's what you're going to want to click there. So this means that you are the director of the company and you run the company, you do all the day-to-day things, and you also own the company, or at least part of the company. And then we're going to come down to here. What's your initial paid up capital? This may sound a bit confusing, guys, but it's not, okay? You can leave that at £100 paid up capital and the number of shares is 100, okay? That means for every £100 that you put in, you own 100% of the shares, even if you're starting with a bigger amount. And the next stage here, guys, just confirm and continue once you've got all your details. I'm not going to do this because I don't want to set up a limited company, but yeah, just confirm your details here, confirm and continue, guys, and that is it. £12 only. Click the link below. I will see you in the next video.